that twin turbo STO with us. That Lamborghini Huracan. That goes crazy. Oh, tunnel. What's up, boys? Welcome back to another POV. I don't have my head cam again, boys. I literally spent all day looking for it. I don't know how they disappeared. So right now we're doing a little meetup with the twin turbo Lambo. I don't know what the exact plan is, but it's something to do, bro. I've been bored this whole weekend, so I'm hyped. Little POV slash little car cruise type of vibe. But I definitely get a head cam, and I think honestly I'm just gonna send it with the GoPro. Just get a GoPro at this point. I'm gonna try to keep the angle as high as possible, because I know sometimes I record like this only because, boys, it's because sometimes having the phone in your hand, not even in your hand, just even having a head, especially a head cam actually, it's kind of awkward, especially when people are looking. Woo. Beautiful, bro. Holy. Woo! I freaking love that sound. I cannot wait to get. I finally ordered it, boys, so it's coming in. So it's no longer like, oh, I'm planning it, I'm trying to save money. Like, no, I'm sending it. I am now sending it, and we're gonna resell that thing, dude. Because honestly, bro, like all the exhausts are on the market. I don't really like them. I don't like them. And the one I came up, the one I got, dude, it's gonna be so clean. You'll see, boys. Bro, this area is freaking beautiful. I can't believe this is California, bro. And it's usually green. It's green most of the time, too. That's what's so sick about this freaking place, bro. Like, even though California is like pretty much a desert, this area is not bad at all. I guess someone got in a car crash. That's rough, dude. That's freaking rough. Oof, dude, we're not gonna be able to get on the freeway from this. But anyways, we're meeting up at the Shell down the street. So perfect street to gas one more time. These street lights have been taking forever for some reason, bro. There's an M3, I think it's an E92. Clean build. In person, it looks kind of old school, obviously, because it is, but in person it looks actually like really clean. Like, even, like, I don't know how to explain it. This thing's beautiful, bro. Back bumper gone. Oh my. Corvette, and you already know we got the M5, bro. Beast freaking M5, but nothing compared to that. That's, dude, I do that. They made the new the F90s LCI look so crazy. Holy. See, boys, there's mountains separating me from LA. We're literally going through the mountain. I didn't show majority of the mountain, but you pretty much have to go through the mountain, which is amazing, bro. But yeah, we lost them, boys, because of the red light. Freaking sucks. Dude, yo, that is sick. It's so freaking rare, bro. The lighting was slight little nighttime POV. that thing's pushing 1400 horsepower, dude. That's crazy. Holy. Turbos sound crazy. Dude, you can hear the turbos from freaking here. That's so sick. That's Oro, dude. That's the dream right there. Either Audi R8 or Huracan twin turbo. Just, you guys know me when it comes out to turbos. My car does not sound good at high gears, bro. I need to get a tune if I want it to sound super good. That's why I really want to get a tune, so it sounds better at higher gears. But that's sexy. Oh yeah, for sure. I'll turn the rest, bro. 1020S. Now we got a twin turbo STO with us. Ferrari, Lamborghini Huracan. Holy. That goes crazy. I'm gonna go behind you. Sick. now in Malibu, boys. This is the dream right here, boys. This is the dream. For real, it's the dream.